The salbute is a soft tortilla that is fried in a little bit of oil. You're gonna love it. What you need to make them is a salsa, some refried beans, a topping or filling like a picadillo. So I'm gonna start by making the colado beans or frijoles colados, and it's Yucatan's version of refried beans. So, okay, I have the home-cooked beans. If you don't have time to cook your beans or you didn't get whole black beans, you can always start your recipe from a couple of cans of refried beans and just add the onion, the chile, add the refried beans, cook, and you have your frijoles colados. I'm gonna make a chunky tomato and habanero salsa. It's so easy to make. I'm adding 1.5 pounds Roma tomatoes. And all I want is for the tomatoes to cook and become really mushy and soft. And while that happens, I'm gonna chop half of a white onion. Okay. But now the tomatoes are ready. So I'm adding the tomato like this in the blender, a teaspoon of salt, and here we go. That's it. So you want them chunky. See? Okay, so I'm heating my pan over medium-high heat. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of just vegetable oil. Once that the oil starts shimmering at the bottom of the pan, I'm adding my onion. All that's in this chunky salsa is the tomatoes, the onion that I chopped, and habanero chiles. And because I'm adding them whole, the sauce is not gonna get spicy per se, but we don't want them to break apart because if not, the salsa is gonna be spicy as hell. Now, if you don't find fresh habaneros, you can use the habaneros that already come in the bottle. They come already sliced, slightly pickled. They're so delicious. You can use in the salsa. So I'm adding some of these habaneros right in here. So now that we have these nice and seasoned, I'm gonna add the sauce. So we're just gonna cook these for a few minutes until it gains even more taste, more color, and it thickens a little. So this is ready. It smells awesome, yeah. Alan, we have here 2.5 cups of masa harina. We have 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and you can add the water. We have 2.5 cups of water, 1/4 teaspoon salt. So now we need 14 to 16 balls from these. Tenemos el oil, tenemos la masa, tenemos los tortilla presses. So you open them like these, then you grab a ball, then you put it in the middle.
Okay.
Y luego, you just press down. And then here's a trick, okay? When you put them on your hand, okay, no quiero que te queme, so gentle.
Okay.
Y don't do it fast and don't do it with fear because then it jumps. Beautiful!
Almost.
See, ahora mira. See how it puffs?
Oh, wow.
Isn't that crazy?
That looks really good.
I can't believe how gorgeous this is. What do you think?
Ready? This looks perfect.
So, a thin layer of the frijoles colados.
Okay.
You choose like calderos that you like.
Okay. Oh, this is smart. So that holds all the meat. Nice.
Okay. I'm gonna cut some avocado for mine.
Salsa?
Salsa.
So this is habanero?
See, if you want the heat, you put the habanero on your plate, and then what they'll do is like they'll dunk whatever piece they're eating with the habanero.
Oh, nice.
It's super spicy.
That's super spicy.
So then you do the sauce.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Let's try it.
Perfect.
Ready?
Oh, so good. I'll take them all.
Eat and grab another one.